I was exploring Vimeo's code the other day, and I believe I'm the first person to tell you all about this. These are examples of what we're going to be getting. The key here is getting, because we're not making these. These already are made by Vimeo and are hidden in Vimeo's code, and I'm going to show you how to get yours. It's going to feel like hacking because you're dumpster diving through some computer code, but I assure you we're not interfering with their site whatsoever. The most advanced task we'll be doing is copying the code. These are just a cool visual representation of an entire video condensed in a collage. If you try to make one yourself in Photoshop, it's just going to take forever. It's time and labor intensive, and I can show you how to get one in under 60 seconds. So go to Vimeo and pick the video you want. You're going to right click and select Page Source. This will open up a new tab with the code of that page. Hit Control or Command F to search for config_URL. Next to it is a URL in between quotation marks. Highlight the entire URL in between the quotes and copy the code. There are 5 instances of bunny ears. In each instance, you want to get rid of the backslash. Now put the corrected URL in a new tab and hit enter. And that gives us a whole new batch of code. Hit Control or Command F again and search for the word sprites. It'll reveal 2 instances of the word sprites in the code, and both instances are in the next URL that we need. So you'll need to, like before, copy the URL in between the quotation marks and paste it in a new tab and hit enter. And bam, here you go. This collage is auto-generated by Vimeo, so you have absolutely no say which images are chosen. It's a quick glimpse into the work of a filmmaker. And for almost 100 years, photographers have been making something similar called a contact sheet. I've been calling these things sprite sheets since that's the key word in the Vimeo code you have to search for in order to get these images. All right, let's do a Cliff Notes version so it doesn't feel that intimidating. Pick a video, right-click, and select View Page Source. In that code, you're going to Control or Command F and look for config_URL and select the URL that's beside it. There are 5 instances of the bunny ears. You're going to get rid of the left bunny ear and leave the right one. In a new tab, search for the word sprites. You're going to copy the URL the word sprites is in, paste that in a new tab, and then you have your image. Lastly, I want to thank all the filmmakers that allowed me to use their work in this tutorial. You can find their contact info down in the description.